understand me. I know you understand me.
Well, hello there, internet. Oh, crap. Forgot my microphone. Just wait. Yeah. Alright. Hopefully you can hear me well. Today is gonna be an exciting day. I'm planning on finishing up the keyjs project. Last time we let's just call it, we did an MVP version. Yep. Really love how it turned out. Got some feedback on it, which is great. You know, you always need the feedback on it. And today we're gonna publish again. Yeah, that's gonna be really cool. Also, like, I secured the npm name. So thank you, npm. Yeah, apparently you have to, like, I had to like open a ticket for it to the support people, just so I can register it in my name. Apparently it's too similar to other packages. I think that was the error, like it was erroring out in a 4.3. Yeah, so I'm trying out restream.io. Saw it on keyjs live stream. You should follow him. He's a cool dude. Oh, hi Julia. Yeah. Yeah. Turns out it's quite cool. So basically, I'm streaming on YouTube and on Twitch at the same time, and Restream basically handles that. Also, like, you know, I have the chat on screen and so on and so on, so I can interact with people more often and so on. Yeah, so that's about it. That's what I'm gonna be doing today. So that means grabbing the code from the code sandbox. I already checked out the project. I had it on my local computer. Hey. Yeah, so also if you have questions, or I don't know, like I'm doing some weird stuff, or if the music is too loud, yeah, just let me know. I got the knobs here. Yeah, that's gonna be cool. All right, so I have my old repo in here. Short recap. So keyjs is basically something that I think I published, but not on npm, just like on GitHub a while ago, like 7 years ago. Last time I was looking through the code base to see what the hell I was thinking about, what I was planning to do with it. And then I dig a bit deeper offline afterwards. And indeed, this was or is a port of something that I've used in ActionScript. I think it was in ActionScript 3. So basically we had this like class for handling the key combination for games, right? So like just imagine, I don't know, Street Fighter or Mortal Kombat, right? Where you have like the combinations like up, up, down, down, and so on and so on. Basically that was it. Yeah, that was the whole thing. Just so you can have this hooks basically listening on keys being pressed, and whenever that combination was matching, yeah, you would get in and you would get this callback on. All right, so let me just grab it from my code sandbox. It's definitely a first. I mean, I'm using the multiple desktops thing. I haven't used it before, so yeah, it's kind of interesting. So yeah, it's just like, honestly, it's kind of weird, but yeah, why not? All right, so I have it in my clipboard. Let's just create a new file here called index.js, paste it in, and that's it. That's the code from the last time. Definitely need some comments. Yeah, well, as I said last time, it would have been more fun if I would have done it in in TypeScript. I'm really a noob when it comes to TypeScript, even though, you know, I wish I knew it better. I don't know why. I have this like phobia of TypeScript or whatever. I don't know, something. But yeah, anyway, moving on. All right, so that means first thing first, well, I'll just like clean up the repo, document the functions, yeah, update the README, create some tests for it, and we'll see where it goes. Yeah, I'm planning to using I'm planning on using Jest. Yeah, if you, I don't know, like know something better than Jest, but I've used it like, I mean, it made my life easier on Goober as well. So yeah, I'm gonna be using that one, but yeah, I know, yeah, I'm really open. I've used like on my other packages, I think I've used Ava as well. Yeah, Ava. But I don't know if if Ava has like a virtual DOM implementation, not like a VDOM, like the, you know, like document window and so on, and all the interfaces that it needs. Yeah, I don't know, like GSDOM has. Yeah, so that's gonna be interesting to be doing. I hope everything is fine. Yeah, checking the live stream. Yeah. All right, let's start with the documentation stuff. All right, so the press keys. This is gonna be. Let's just do the type. This is gonna be an array. Holds the current pressed keys. Also, like it's a good thing to always add, and even for variables to add like this JSDocs thing. The editors, like especially VS Code, they, you know, figure stuff out and could like save you a ton of like when you need the autocomplete features and whatnot. So basically just add a type there and that's it. Yeah, this is holds the saved combos with their handlers and or node elements, because we have the two functions. Basically the public API exports two functions like the onCombo and onCombo node, and onCombo node you actually can pass like a node. So for example, if you're focused on, I don't know, like an element, and you want to react to some, I don't know, like to a combination when that element is focused, you get that option here basically. So which is nice. Yeah. All right. Scrolling to the top. All right. So check combinations. The combinations, the target should be, target is optional, so doesn't need to exist, if I remember correctly. But we always pass it in, because the key up listener is event listener, so we always pass in the target. Oh yeah, so that's gonna be there every time. So this is an HTML element actually. Checks the current combo from pressed keys and fires up the handlers per combo saved. That's what it does. All right. The key up listener, just like a simple is there like a keyboard event? Yeah, there's a keyboard event thing. All right. Listens to the key up event. All right. Yeah, listen to key up event and calls check combination for matching combos. There you go. Actually, does it? Yeah, it does a check. All right. Okay, so the check basically, all right. Yeah, makes sense. So let's say you have a combination of two key presses, but you're actually pressing 3. So whenever you're lifting up the other one, you're getting, because I was questioning if we should call a check combination inside the key up listener, but yeah, we totally need to. All right, so listen to the key down event and call check combination for matching combos. Those are pretty similar. Binding to the keyboard events should be done only on client side, and that's what we're doing here. Should be done. Didn't like the way it looked, the break there. Okay, and that's it. Yeah, that's it. All right, so let's just add the JStock for the onCombo then. See the onCombo hook. How should I call it? Is it a hook, or is it like registering hook for registering keyboard combo with a handler? Yeah. Yep. The combo should be a string, that's for sure, and the handler is a function. Function. There you go. Whoops. All right. Hooks for registering a key with a registering a keyboard combo for a specific node, right? For a specific DOM node with the handler. All right, so that means we have the node in here as well, and this is gonna be like a generic HTML element interface. Yeah, and that's it. Also, we have the warning there that you're trying to listen to a node without the tab index. Yeah, because you know, if you don't have the tab index, that means that that element, it's so for example a div, who you need to like be like this, or you know, reacting to this combination. If you don't have the tab index in there, you'll never receive the focus, right? Only if it's like a button or stuff like that. So yeah, we need to do that. All right. One thing that I forgot to do. So actually, this is like the old file, so I can safely delete this one. One thing that I forgot to do. Yeah, npm init. Yes, to everything. Also, the README is really odd. I don't know what it's like. And I think I'll do this as a minor, and the main should be like the source index. Everything else I think is fine. Yeah, let's just add the micro bundle, just so we can get that build step in there. And we'll do like the def. It's gonna be, whoops, it's gonna be like micro bundle. I think micro bundle will always look into source index. I think that's the case, hopefully. Yeah. So why I added the micro bundle in there? Yikes! Wow, that's a good call, man. Let me just move up the key. Wow. All right. Actually, you know what? Let me just clear up this one. I'll just keep that as a background. Don't show again, and I'll just use the terminal from the VS Code. Thank you. Thanks so much. that was a awkward one. All right. Anyway. All right. So npm dev. Oh man, npm run dev. All right. I'm just curious of the size. Wow. All right. So we are under 500 bytes. Oh god damn it! I forgot the output. No. Let's just undo everything. I forgot to specify the output. Actually, mpx micro bundle help. Oh, actually, is it with the build? Yeah, I guess so. Oh yeah, has the build, but the dev should have like a watch in there. So watch, yeah, and then the output, it's gonna be the dist folder, and then the entry is gonna be the source index.js. Yeah, and then does it have the build? Oh, there's like a watch option. All right, let's do it like this. Sure. dsconfig. Micro bundle is really great, man. I mean, has so many options that you'll. I mean, doesn't have that many options, but just has the most useful things ever to like bundle libraries and so on. All right, npm run dev. Let's see it. Yeah, should be watching now. Yeah, that's more like it. All right, one thing that I do need is like the git ignore thing. So the node modules, per usual, the dist. There's like a VS Code file. I don't need that one. Oh, and the pre-tier config. But I don't want to get into that right now. That's always like really daunting on me. Okay. The dependencies. Wait. Oh man, I'm using the terminal again. Alright. I was just trying to see the status for the Git. Alright, yeah. So these are Antrax files. That's fine. That's fine. Totally fine. Alright. What were the... Alright. Let me just add the git ignore thing, package lock, package JSON. That's funny. Yeah. And I just call it revamped. And let's just push it. Hopefully the code size and everything else is visible. Try to like zoom in a lot. Yeah, all right. Okay, so now I push it to the repo. Did I? Wait, what does it still say? It's that. Just, all right, there you go. Yeah, so readme is not. Okay, closing everything. Okay, so the code base, I would say it's pretty much fine. Yeah, it has the spaces of 2. I usually use 4. That's why I said that I didn't want to get into the pre-tier configuration and stuff like that, because, well, I'm not really in that mood right now. But we'll do it at some point. Yeah, that'll be like the first issue, to like with help needed and so on. All right, writing up the tests, right? Yep. So npm install save as dev jest. How do you is it called like regression, or should it be called like integration? Because I want to write like a single, let's just call like a single suite of tests, or just one file that checks everything, because the functionality is not that big, you know. So how should I call it? Yeah, I think it will be like integration. Yeah, or sanity or something like that. All right. So by default, I think Jest is looking to underscore test underscore. So did I say integration? Integration. Jest. Yeah, right there. All right. Okay, I think you need a setup, right? Let me just test the test. That's gonna be Jest. You should test describe integration testing. Ooh, wait, is it? Okay. Oh yeah, it's a function. And sometimes I'm. Wait, is it a function? npm run test. Lol. Wait, what the hell? You know what? I think I'm gonna. Let me just check out the Goober. Goober. Actually, wait. Yeah, I think you can see it now. Yepers. Right, so in Goober we have the test, and the it's the setup here. Yeah, because I was afraid like, yeah, I don't know why I'm mocking React with a virtual true. I think that's something that I added in there. I don't know why. Test integration. Yeah, so apparently But I call it integration here because I'm integrating in this case with Preact. So that's why I like. Yep. All right. Does it have? Yeah. I need a terminal. Wait, where's the terminal? Boom. There you go. All right. So what? Oh, man, should work. I always like doing this kind of like, I don't know, dumb test just so I know that my setup is working and everything is up and running. So expect one. What the hell is happening? Expect one to equal 1. npm run test. Wait, let me just. Test npm run test unit. This. Oh, wait, but yeah, it just has the set of files. Doesn't need to. Oh, I do pass the CI and the coverage. Why? I don't know. Is just, I don't know, picky about it? Like, I think you should just run, right? Yeah. So, no test found. Why? Oh, god damn it. It's called tests. There are multiple tests. I knew. I've been beaten by this before. Yeah. What the hell is this? Man. Alright. Boom. Boom. Alright. Now that everything is working, finally, let's get to work. All right. So first thing first, I think I'll have to import, right? The combo. On combo, and then on combo on node combo from index integration. So the integration, I'm gonna do it like for on combo. I think with a spy, right? So we have the handler. Just is it spy? You know what? I'm gonna just do npx just watch and see what's gonna happen. Yes. Yeah. All right. Import. Cannot use. Oh, god damn it. I need a Babel file, right? Yes. Apparently. God damn it. I didn't want to like be that technical about it. Babel config. Yeah. I need to press it env. Actually, let me just copy. And then just is gonna inherit from that one, right? Ugh, I guess so. Babel config. There you go. And then I'm wondering what kind of packages do I need to. So I definitely need the Babel core, right? And the present env. Yeah, those are the ones. npm install the dev, and then I need the Babel core. Boom. Please be just this ones. Please. Oh, Babel jest. No way. Do I need this one? Wait. What's Babel jest? Yeah. Yep. All right. All right. Yeah. Apparently I need it. It will just. All right. Hopefully that's it. Hopefully that's it. All right. Just watch. What? Oh, yes. Spy not function, which is great. That's what I wanted. The erroring out, just so I can know what's being. Wait, but what's the spy? Oh, it's the just FN. All right. Minimize it. All right, and then let me just bring back. There you go. Yes. Let's do this. Wait, what? No, I don't have the plugins installed. I just have this one. All right, let me just watch it again. Integration. Yep, it's just a function. All right, took me a while. All right, it's a mock. Get it. All right. So on combo, the string, it's gonna be A and B, right? And then the handler is gonna be the handler. And then on window, wait, dispatch event. Can I do it? Key up. Oh, God damn it. Wait, how do you dispatch events in jest? I knew it. I knew it. Just, whoops, just dispatch, dispatch, keyboard events. Well, wait. Okay. So is this the one? I think this is like Jasmine, right? Not just. Yeah, I think it's Jasmine. Okay, let's just try this one. Should be working, honestly, but we'll see. All right, but now, wait, is there a way? Oh, no, really? Do I have to? Okay. Event is not defined. Well, obviously. I knew that. Okay. Boom. And then expect handler. Expect handler. Whoops. To be called. All right. Number of calls 0. All right. So the key code for A plus B. So that means we're gonna have to dispatch like export all declaration. Come on, man. That means we're gonna have to dispatch the key code for A and B. Or let's just do it the simple way right now. Let's see if it works, because this will trigger the key down as well. Yep. All right. So what's the key code for A? If you know it, just feel free. All right. Keyboard key codes, JavaScript. Oh wow! Boom, 65. Oh man, I'm gonna need this one. I'll just move it to there. Is the chat still visible? I guess so. Yeah, this is like gold. Gold. I'm telling you. I just need that one to move. Okay. Yeah, I'll just have it there. Got it. All right. So the key code is gonna be 65. Was it? Yeah, 65. All right. So, but the key code Oh, right. Okay, so oh man, I think I'm gonna need to add a pre-tier config and all that stuff. But anyway, moving on. So if we remember, we push into the pressed keys, we push the key value from the event and the target. Oh, this is gonna be useful when we're gonna test the on node combo. Anyway, so instead of the key code, we need to define it as a key and not stringified. Wait, I was hoping that would do it. Well, let's just call it here key down. Also, not the document, the window, we need to dispatch it because we're listening on window. Okay. Oh, and we do have a console log. Okay, so I'm wondering if this is that thing with you know, like you need a sleep timer and so on, just so you can so basically the event, I think the event, what's happening is the event handler or the dispatch is happening the next tick, the next yeah, the next execution stack basically, or the event loop, right? The next event loop. So that means we need to wait like a few seconds. And I think on ingest, wondering if do I need to do the whole async await thing? Yeah, I think so. Okay, let's just call it, because this is an async function. Right, and then so I can do it in two ways, at least top of my head. One will be like to define like a sleep function, which is going to be a promise that would resolve within a given timeout. This is like the classical way of doing it, I guess. Also, the other thing that I could do will be like to also dispatch the event with a certain key and listen to that event basically, or at least do the whole sleep thing or of async await. And this, yeah, I think I'm gonna do that one, but anyway, and this will turn out like dispatch key, and then or we could do the keys and then you know, define multiple keys and so on. Yeah, let's just do this one because this is gonna be like more personal, right? Yeah, all right. Function dispatch keys, and then this is gonna be like keys. All right, so event is gonna be keys map, and then we have the key in here. Really great, really great. Not really. Anyway, it's gonna be the key down. Oh, actually, yeah, we'll see later about that one. And then the key we have in here, and actually I don't know if I need this one. Anyway, so map sleep is still boring, pretty much. Map the keys to an event. All right, and then I'm just gonna go with the for each event and then just dispatch it, right? Because that's all that we need. Window dispatch event, and we'll just give it the event which we already created. All right, boom. Wow, no way, it worked. So the handler was called. All right, but we dispatched like two keys. Okay, so let's just break it down. What happened? So we dispatched, yeah, so the handler to be called once. I think that's it. Oh yeah, because in my head already be called once is not a function. What do you mean? Whoa. To be called. Oh man. Just, you're killing me. Just to be called once. I think there was like a function that would do it. Expect to be called once. Times. Oh yeah, it's times. Also like it's to one time. Yeah. See, so that means yeah, so that means we're dispatching two events in order. So the order will be A and then B. Wait, hold on, my mind is going nuts. All right, so we're dispatching two keys, one after each other, and that means the handler should be called just one time. And our test currently says that the handler from the combo is being called just one time. So that's great. Means our implementation is working fine. Let me just remove this console log. And I need to add the prettier thing. All right. Listen to a combo. Whoops. Dispatch the combo. Assert the handler being called one time. Okay, and that's happening. All right, but for our next test, before we move on, map the keys for an event and then loop over them and dispatch an key down event. All right, so but before we move on, sorry, I'm wondering if we could do something in this regard, and that something would be, so whenever someone presses down, right, a set of keys, we also need to make sure that the key up event is being pressed. Is being triggered. So that means we're gonna have to send the. I'm thinking how to do it like properly. If we should either. Oh wait, no, where's my desktop? Whoops. What have I done? Pressed the wrong key. So I'm wondering if we should either clean it up basically or stuff like that in here. So after dispatching the key down, also dispatch the key up in the same order. But does it make sense? I'm trying to see if that makes sense. It makes sense from the testing point, but I'm not sure if it makes sense from like a usability point of view. But anyway, the whole thing I'm trying to do right now is to make sure that like we have the baseline, like the functionality remains the same and it's there. So yeah, I might like just do like a cleanup function or dispatch keys, and then after the expect handler and so on, just clean up the events with the key up. But the thing is, we don't need to do like after the expect, right? Because we could handle the key up after the key down has been pressed. Because that means, so to break it down, like we have like three phases, right? We have the listener phase where the combination are being listened to, and then we have the mocking and dispatching of the events, where that's the second phase, and then we have the third phase where we assert that the handlers and the combinations that we've been listening to have been have fired. Basically, that's the whole thing. So yeah, so I think I'll just do like a two array, map the same thing, or should we do like a tuple? I don't know. No. Let's just not be greedy, I would say. All right. So the key down events, key down are the map ones. All right. We map over them. And then, wait, let me just comment this out. Oh man, comment over comment. Let me just duplicate this one. The key up, key down, key up. Let me just do this with the key up as well. We could abstract this even further and just like have a factory of keyboard events. Doesn't really make sense right now. Anyway, and dispatch the key down, right? So that means key down for each. Actually, this one would make sense to have it like I don't know, something reusable. Let me just see everything is in order first, and then we'll move this. All right, key down, and then key up. Key up, I said. All right. Those. All right. So the combo still works. Now let's just set up something like ABC. Just be like the still works. Wait, let's just dispatch the doesn't work anymore. All right. I was just going like, is this like a false positive or something like that? But no, it's fine. All right. So we could do like another describe here and call it on combo, because I want to have that like granularity when it comes to testing. I have like, all right, so now I have the on combo, and then the it name will be something, you know, much descriptive or stuff like that. Wait, what? Your test suite must contain at least one test. Oh wait, oh, wait, what? The describe? Oh, okay. Yeah, I think. No. Oh, okay. You know what? I don't have time to figure it right now. We'll see later. What's the problem? Okay. One fail. Man, what happened? I should just read the error, right? Your test suite must contain at least one test. Well, don't I have one test? I have the integration, then I have the what's happening. Array for each. Wait, is it the key up? No, that was working. If you spot the error, just let me know. Don't see it. Don't see it. So I have the describe, and then I have argument type error. Invalid second argument. Expected string, but received function. Where? Wait, oh man. No way. See? God damn it. I know. Well, also, like, I wasted so much time already with the formatting and so on. I should have just installed Prettier, man. Well, okay, so yeah, I was saying that I want to have this granularity or whatever. So I have the integration, and then I have the on combo, and then let's just say like simple, whatever, and the simple will be the A plus B, right? And then have dispatch keys like ABC and so on. And then have another case where this is, I will say like complex. Let's just call it complex-ish. And let's just have the control plus B, whatever that is. All right. Yeah, so that should work. I mean, does it mix? Is there a difference between this and this? No, so instead of like, let's just say like happy case and sad case. Is that like a thing? I don't know. All right, so the sad case will listen to A plus C, but we'll give them A, B, and C. Right. And then the sad case would have been called 0 times, right? Even though, yeah. So I'm wondering if we should split this though, because when I want to test as well, it's like dispatch a set of keys, release or key up some of them, and then call something else, because this will like basically test the cleanup functionality of it, right? So yeah, that'll be cool, but I think that'll be like next phase, or I'll open up an issue for it and see if someone wants to grab it. Meanwhile, let's just move on to on node combo. So that means we still have the handler. We do need an element, right? A node. Let's just call it a node. And we're going to do document create element. What should it be? I'm gonna give, yeah, let's just do a simple div, and then yes. So the dispatch keys, that's interesting. Yeah, so those are going to be dispatching on window, but the target of the node is but the target of the event handler should be our node. So let's just see. Key, that's the target. That's the target argument. So we have to somehow dispatch keys beside the key. Oh, man, we're gonna have to enhance this, and instead of like instead of having just a string of key, maybe have like an object which will be passed in here. So that means instead of ABC, have an object with key A, key B, key C, and so on. All right. Okay. We'll see later. All right. So the on combo, on node combo, it's gonna be the combo, the node, and then the handler. We have the dispatch keys, and then same thing here. I don't know if that doesn't make sense, because the set case for the on node combo, yeah, it's debatable, I would say at best. All right, this is gonna be like the last test, and then I'll prep everything and publish the package. All right, dispatch keys. This is gonna be the key, but also we need that node for it. So I'm wondering if we should do like a query thing, like dispatch keys, and then have like the node passed, right? So that means we're gonna have to call the dispatch keys. Yeah, I think I'll just complicate stuff, honestly. Yeah, I think that'll be the easiest way to just make sure that these are objects instead, right? Maybe have like a function that creates them, but man, I don't know, is it worth it? So the target, let's just name this target and we'll get it for free. Key B, and then let's just have the target in there. Boom. Is it boom? All right. Dispatch keys. I think we could handle this as well, like you know, at dispatch keys function level, but do we wanna? I don't know, maybe. So we have the ABC, 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 ABC. Yeah, I think dispatch keys is ready for a transformation. So instead of a key here, we'll have like an options, sorry. And then let's just pass the whole options in here. I could have like just spread it, but you know, doesn't really make sense. Node combo. Right, node is not defined. Yeah, obviously this should be like a target. Node combo on what? On combo node, is it? Oh, oh man, good naming, good naming. On combo node. All right, happy case. Expect number calls 1, receive number calls 0. And that's good. That means the oh, okay, yeah, that's great. Let's just do it like this way, because this way will also test the focusing. Yeah, we'll test the focusing of the element. So that has been called 0 times, since the node is not focused, right? And then what we'll have to do, yeah, it's target focus. We'll just like call the focus on it, on the target. That means right now it's focused, and then dispatch the combo again, the same combo. And now we should it's called 1 time. Boom. Man, no, this should be like 1 time. Yeah, and it wasn't focused. Doesn't receive the focus. And I guess this is, does it have to do something with tab index? I'm wondering. No. Okay. Number of calls, happy case is AB, and then we have the target. Okay, so clearly something doesn't add up. All right, call 1 time. Okay, so let's just run the fail test, because that's the only thing that we need. And apparently we have a stack trace. Failed to execute is equal node or node. Parameter 1 is not of type node. Oh, okay. Node. Wait, so node is equal node target. But node is not a type node. Wait, so does this mean that was actually Yeah. Alright. Okay, parameter is not of type node. Right, but what kind of type is it? Alright, so we have the node, and then we have the target. Boom. Let's see. Oh, no way. Okay, so I think the target is like window right now. Is it? Okay, so let me just see the options. The target. Man, this is not helpful at all. Is there like another way to debug this? So I guess. Okay. Type of node, type of target. Okay. So this is a handler. Wait, no. It's an object in an object. All right. But is equal node should be in there. Node function is undefined. So target. So check combination. Let's just give it another try. So the event, cube listener, right? So the event has on target. Wait, does it? I'm wondering if since the keys, since the options is already part of the key down, could it be? Okay. Options. So I'm wondering if this needs to be not a reference to the options, but rather, yeah, no, that wasn't the problem. So target is the is equal node function is undefined on target. That means what exactly? Yeah, I could then do this. Well, it'll be safer to just have it, but anyway. Also, maybe not dispatch the key up. See if, yeah, no, same thing. All right. Okay. Let me just look at that. Okay, so no, yeah, makes sense. So target undefined. So what is the target? So the target is this one, which is the node. That's interesting. So the event has the same target, even though the on combo node listens to the same thing. So it doesn't have anything to do with tab index. Let's just do another one. Let's just call it node. And node and target are different. Yeah, it's the same thing, right? Yeah. So for some reason, target, it's not. It's not being. Okay. So target, for some reason, it's not being. I don't know. Passed properly. Let's just see. So console log, key down, and then let's just put the event in there. I think my battery is gonna run or die soon as well, so that's why I'm like quickly. Yeah, right. So this is the warning. Yeah, that's fine. Key down is trusted. Okay, this is definitely a keyboard event. But does it have the target in there? Yeah, it does have the target, man. But it's, I don't know. Instead of like self, should it be like self? Oh man, so it says that. So the thing is, is node equal doesn't. I mean, I'm wondering if should it be the node equal thing, or should it be like just a simple triple equal stuff, right? Because this one will do like a HTML equality stuff. So that means the structure has to be the same, but we need, do we need the DOM reference to be the same? That's another thing. So I bet if we do this, we'll still error out, but no, we did best. Yeah, because whatever, because that means we check that the handler is being called 0 times, which it was, because yeah, 0 times. It doesn't have the focus, and also the node is different. But if we do this, oh man, F, all right, yeah, okay, so it's still called 0 times, and then all right, so number calls 0. Oh man, all right, so it's definitely the target in here. It's not the same thing, doesn't end up as the same thing as being passed on as the event target, even though it has the focus. He has the focus. Wait, but I don't know if we still need the focus in here, but I'll see. All right, I need to move fast. My battery is dying. You know what? Let's just skip this one for now. All right. Git status, git add the Babel, the test, boom, and then we need another function, another script, sorry, here to build this. So down main build micro bundle, boom, there you go. Okay. And the readme and so on, that'll be following next time, I guess. Git commit, sure. Added the tests and build scripts. Boom. Push it into the repo, and let me just run the npm run build. Boom. Man, Broadly is really cool at compressing. So see, from gzip, the difference between gzip and Broadly, it's like almost 100 bytes, which is cool, and it tends to get higher when the size grows. Anyway, all right, let's just publish it. Should I publish? Yeah, I should, right? Otherwise, why did I worked on it? All right. Yeah, because I have the authenticator here. npm publish 691. There you go. Boom. There it is. So it still has some things to be done in it. Well, I'm gonna open up. I'm gonna how do you call it? Issues. So it'll be like a whole open source thing, right? So everyone could contribute, and if you feel like you wanna fix that test that doesn't the on combo node thing, feel free. Yeah, I'm gonna tweet this out as well. Thank you so much for being with me. That's all the time that I have left, because my battery is gonna die soon from the camera. Yeah, the one thing that I still wanted to check was the bundle phobia. Wait, bundle phobia refused to connect? No. Oh, keyjs. What? That's interesting. Okay, npm keyjs. He should be in there. Maybe it takes a while to for the package to. Yeah, I see it's there. The mpeg size. Huh, this is interesting. 41 weekly downloads. Yeah, so alright. Let me just do the unpackage thing. And yeah, this is the source. Oh man, yeah. I think I need to add the whole thing, the whole spec to package JSON, like the module and so on and so on. I think that's why bundle phobia died on me. But anyway, that's gonna be for the next time. Again, thank you so much for joining me. Yeah, and see you next time. If you wanna if you have questions or wanna take this further or any other stuff, I'm on Twitter. You can find me easily anywhere. Also, you can reach out to me on GitHub or just visit my personal website. All right, thank you so much. Have a nice one. Wishing you all the best.